Basta. Touchdown, Manila! Libet! Hi guys! We're just landed at Manila. Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
My love is strong and gently placed in your heart is shown. I can't live without every mountain, every
Guys, sorry kami sa Venice Grand Canal Mall. With my family.
keep us close and keep us dear, not just today, but every year.
Hi guys, so alright, kami sa Bonifacio High Street. Under maintenance po yung portal. Sad. So guys, ang ubra din naman actually sa Manila mag-taking pictures. Where at? BGC. So, laban na niya video-video kag picture ang ubra din. That's the purpose. Char.